got a tree falling.
Which means no reports. And it means he's got to do his own power line.
Oh my gosh. Power lines are down, guys. You were very fortunate with that. That tree went right into the truck.
It's in the truck?
In our van, yeah. Look at all these branches.
Holy mother.
Oh, this is...
Oh! Snow.
Melting snow.
This is a disaster area. They must have declared a
Oh,
state of...
you cannot go that way.
I can't go left here.
Uh-oh,
I can't go right either.
You can go to the right now. You just have to wait for the car.
I don't know.